Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So today we will see some more features of Altium Develop, like different features on the dashboard, and how can we track the status, like whoever is making the changes in the design, how can we track this, like what is under the to do and what are the tasks of the designer you assigned for. So let's get started. Now, when you open the workspace as usual, it's the interface and it's the preview, and you can change the preview in this way from the top option. So here you can see different description added for different projects. You can add the description for your project as I am adding integrating BMS with motor drive circuit. So click on update, it will take few seconds and the description will be added to your project as well as in the dummy project are added. So the description is added. You can choose the different paths for your project to be saved there, and you can see these options. You can clone this project. It will make the copy and you can unwatch or watch this project. Click on this and you can remove this project as well from this project option. So move to the task option. Here you can see in the to do task there is only single task, and now you can see there are two task drop down options. The above one name is tasks and the second is TP4055 NPTH. So the above option is the global task, not only for the project, but the below one is for the TP4055 NPTH project. So in this way, you can create a global task for all the projects or the single task for a specific project. So here I'm creating the another task, like as I have created review design TP4055 NPDH, status is to do, and I'm writing the description. Hi, please review the task to be done. Thanks. So you can add the email address here as well. You can change the status of the task by dragging the task here, as I'm dragging it to be resolved, so it is created and in progress. Or in this way you can by swapping or dragging the project, you can change the status of your project. Task status of your task. So in the TP4055 tasks, here is the one resolved task and one to be done. So go to the schematics of your project in the workspace and explore this one. In this option, you can link your requirement of the project. If you have any specific requirements for the designer, you can add here. Or if you go to the comments and task option, here you can see the TP4055 NPTH different tasks are there to be done. So the milestone 2, the second PCB review 1 should be completed. So I'm placing a comment. uh, a reviewer can basically place the comment, click by clicking on the place comment option and adding the comment by selecting a component. As I select the C1 and I'm writing the comment, please change the capacitor value to 4.7. This comment is added. That it will when the designer will see this preview, he will easily can track which capacitor value to be changed. So it will become very easy for the designer to change the value. Click on the comment and it will highlight the comment and the part to be changed or modified. So as you can see, its status is not resolved, and when you click on resolve option, this issue will be resolved and the task will be removed from the sidebar. As I am assigning it to be resolved, it's not resolving right now because of when you reload the page, it will be resolved. Now it's resolved now. So in this way, you can use the place comment option. You can add the requirements for the project, uh, on what basis the designer should design the schematics. So you can highlight the component by searching it, and it will highlight the component in PCB as well. As I have highlighted the C1 in the PCB, you can also see in the BOM file as well where it is, what are the specifications, what is the description, and the part number of it. So here is highlighted C1 in the workspace. On the top right, when you click on the downloads option, it will display the different files which is associated with this project to be downloaded. I am clicking on the PDF schematics. It will create the PDF of the schematics. So let's wait a second, and it's loading. Now the PDF is generated. You can see it's the complete PDF of the schematics. So you can easily download the different files as well. We will see if the comment is saying to change anything on the schematics, how the task and how the designer will follow the steps. So first, as a reviewer, I am writing a global task with name. Please change the capacitor C1 to 4.7 UF. So its status is to do, assignee is this one, priority level is low. So it's now created. So I can assign the priority level to high. Now how the designer will see and will make the changes on the specific designator or component. He will directly use the search option on the top right and can search the components. So before doing that, let me add a comment for the designer. Please change the capacitor C1 to 4.7 UF. So again, priority level highest, and then this was the task for the designer. The designer will open the schematics and will see the task on the side panel on the right. As written, please change the capacitor value to 4.7. He can search it by writing the designator name C1, and here you can see C1 value is 10 UF, which is to be changed to 4.7 UF. So he will open the schematics in his Altium Designer software in this way, and uh, will open that schematics sheet. This protection circuit, not it was on the battery charging circuit. So C1, and he will change the value from 10 UF to 4.7 UF. Click enter, and it is now changed. Save the changes to the server. Click OK, pushing the things to the server. The changes will be in our workspace. Now reload the page. Wait a second, it is reloading. Refresh the page, and here you go. The C1 value is changed to 4.7. So it is done. He can now change the status to resolved and click enter. Now the task is removed. So in this way, the task can be managed by the designer, and the reviewer can also be in sync with the designer. So that's all for today's video. In the upcoming video, we will explore more. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.